I go on holiday in 7 weeks and I'm trying to be on a little bit of a fat loss journey. And this is the exact lunch that I have prepped for my fat loss meals this week. High in protein, low in calorie, and under 10 minutes to whip together. This is the quickest and easiest lunch that you can make on any fat loss journey. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. You will not believe that this wrap is only 330 calories and 29.5 grams of protein. And not only that, but with just a few ingredients, you can whip up 4 portions of this to prep for the week, only £1.87 per portion. All you're going to need to do is grab your wrap. We're going to top it with some tomato puree, coat it in the high protein cheese from MyProtein, add on some already cooked chicken and some tomatoes, and then I topped it with some Italian spice. From there, we're going to roll it up into a burrito and whack it in the air fryer for 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure that cheese is nice and melted. And if eating cheesy pizza rolls for lunch is your type of thing, then hit follow because I have more where this came from. Make sure you hit save and tag me if you give this one a try.